Abay grabe pala itong 14-time NBA All-Star na sinabi ni Dirk Nowitzki. Ano nga ba ang mga sinabi niya dito kay Luka Doncic? Pero bago muna yan, alam naman natin dito ang pagkuha na nga dito kay Luka ay para sa kanilang future na kanilang prangkisa. Pero kung titidan natin sa kasalukuyan, ay napaka-competitive ang nabubuo nilang rotation nila. With LeBron, Luka, and Reeves are playing together, ay napakahira i-contain ang bagong backcourt dito ng Lakers. Dahil si James and Luka silang dalawa na pinakamagaling na mag-execute, spread, and pick and roll. At idagdag pa si Reeves sa deadline ng 3-point area. Pero kung usapan naman ng individual na talento ay wala nang questionable pa. Ang tanong na lang dyan ay tuloy-tuloy na ba dito ang kanilang kombinasyon nila? Dahil sigurado makikita na natin dito ang bagong version ng Lakers na magpapangat sa kanilang prangkisa. Dahil nagawa na nga nila ditong talunin ang Denver Nuggets. At hindi lang yan dito bastang tinalo ay tinambakan pa nila ito. Questionable ba kung magagawa pa ba nila ito ulit? Dahil kulang nga sila dito ng magaling na sentro. Pero wala namang problema yan kung dito lang sa kanilang magaling na pasa ay mabibigyan nila dito ng magandang play ang kanilang big man. Kaya ang tanong kung si Luka na ba magiging primary ball handler nila? Dito na kay LeBron, Luka, and Austin Reeves. Pero si Coach Redick na lang dito ang bahala kung sinong gagawin niyan dito ang tagamando kanilang opensa. Dahil nung huling laban nila sa Charlotte Hornets ay maala talaga dito ang shooting ni Luka. At maraming mga fans ang nagdudang na nga dito kay Doncic na kesyo na laos na daw ito dahil na nga ito sa kanyang natamong injury. Pero muling pinatunayan na nga dito ni Luka na hindi pa dito tapos ang kanyang era na magsisimula pa lamang siya dito sa kanyang bagong kupunan na LA Lakers. Na kahit mismo dito ang 14-time NBA All-Star na legendary ay suportado pa rin siya dito ni Dirk Nowitzki. At sa unang pagkakataon ay maririnig naman natin dito ang kanyang unang reaksyon patungkol na nga dito sa pagkakatrig kay Luka na kahit mismo siya ay hindi makapaniwala sa nangyari. Pakinggan natin dito ang kanyang mga sinabi.
Shocked and surprised as everybody was, and actually just spend the next hour kind of just following everything on social media, just making sure this is real, this is happening, and as everybody and as surprised as everybody was, and I was trying to wrap my head around what was really happening. I really couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it that this is what happened. But obviously, Luka, we texted a bit. Of course, I felt a little disappointed and sad for him. I think he obviously didn't see this coming. So he invited me to come out to his first game in LA, and I felt like I had to support him. I felt like, I played with him in my last season. We've gotten close. I've tried to mentor him. I try to help him as much as I can and support him in this new chapter because, I think it was reported that he was pretty obviously down and disappointed how it went down, and so I wanted to be there for him. I wanted to be there for his family. It was weird. It was surreal to see him play for the Lakers, and so at the end of the day, I'll never be a Lakers fan, but it was always be a Luka fan. It was good to see him and good to be there for him.
At ayan naman sinabi na nga dito ng legendary na si Dirk Nowitzki. Balang araw ay kailanman hindi siya dito magiging Lakers fans. Pero palagi niya ditong susuportahan dito si Luka. Napakaswerte talaga dito ni Luka dahil isang legendary ang sumusuporta.